Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup with mushrooms. Begin by heating 4 cups of dashi or vegetable broth to a gentle simmer, not boiling, to preserve delicate flavors. Meanwhile, clean and slice about 5 ounces of mushrooms and set them aside. Add mushrooms to the simmering broth and cook briefly until tender, then remove from heat before whisking in 2 to 3 tablespoons miso paste. For a vegetarian twist, use kombu and dried shiitake to craft a vegan dashi that delivers genuine umami. Soak the kombu briefly and simmer the shiitake to extract deep mushroom notes, then strain. Keep the broth warm but not boiling when you later mix in miso. Add soft tofu cubes after the miso is incorporated, stirring gently to keep them intact, and finish with thinly sliced scallions for brightness. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort while you cook. They stay cozy during long meal prep and make a surprisingly great kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To boost flavor, consider briefly toasting mushrooms in a dry pan to concentrate their natural savor before adding them to the broth. Remember that miso is salty, so always taste the soup after stirring miso in and adjust seasoning sparingly. For a final aromatic touch, add a few drops of toasted sesame oil or a sprinkle of chopped scallions. Serve hot in warmed bowls for the best comforting experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.